Klamath Falls gasoline prices, video 6. At the conclusion of video 5, you created a bar chart, three-dimensional style. You should have something that looks like this. Very basic chart. Haven't done anything to modify titles, colors, backgrounds. So here you should have listed the gasoline station, price per gallon down on the horizontal axis. Some of you have titles that include title for the category and also price per gallon down here. That's fine. It's just a basic chart of the data that was created for video number 5. So here in video 6, let's go back to our Klamath Falls worksheet. And if it is the next day, make sure you go in and update these values, price per gallon, for these same gasoline stations in the Klamath Falls area. Additionally, you will want to do that here. Back to our western states that we started back in video 1 for the gasoline prices. And once again, you can go ahead and carry those dates out, select those columns, double click in between any of these borders to adjust the column width, and then you're ready to go. So you want to do that each day when you come in. If you haven't done it, go in, update the values for western states and then also for our local prices of gasoline for the Klamath Falls area. And just to be consistent, I think I'm going to go ahead and make a modification here so that these are not different widths than these columns I have here, E through M. So once again, what you can do is just select that. There we go. Now we have a little more consistent looking worksheet. And then of course also update our little statistical section here with the mean, median, mode, or not mode, but min and max. So back to the Klamath Falls prices. In this video, what we are going to do is do a couple little calculations down here on the bottom. And first of all, what we'll do is we'll look at the maximum price. And the minimum price. And then let's calculate the difference. So what we'll do is we will subtract the minimum price from the maximum price. So start our formulas with the equal sign. Click on our max price minus the minimum price. $0.12 difference. 12 cents. Next, make a category for tank size. This would be the size of your gasoline tank or an estimate of how much you plan on filling up in your car. And then also put a category in for savings. And what we will do is calculate how much we can save by filling up at the minimum price versus filling up at the maximum price. So tank size and savings. And then we'll go in and do some calculations. So tank size is going to be our variable in that there won't be a formula here. And we can vary the size of our tank here by changing this value and see the resulting savings. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in a 20 here. 20 gallon tank. And to be accurate, probably should indicate the units. And then to calculate the savings, we can simply multiply the size of our tank by the difference in price between the min and the max. This 12 cents represents how much we could save if we fill up at the lowest price versus the highest price in Klamath Falls. So we can just simply put in a formula to multiply our tank size times the difference in price, this 12 cents here. And then I'll go ahead and format that value with the $sign. So we can see then that on September 25th, we can save $2.40 by filling up at AMA US 97 versus the Chevron station in Klamath Falls. And that will conclude video 6 for gasoline in Klamath Falls. Keeping in mind that you want to calculate these for each of the days. So make sure you stay on top of that. Once again, just to summarize, we're going to be updating the western states each day and the Klamath Falls prices each day. And that will give us a data set that we can use to do some further analysis moving through time.